Good morning. It is currently 7:45. We are going to the beach today. Our goal is to leave by 9:30, so I wanted to get a workout in really quickly. My boyfriend is still currently sleeping, so I was gonna do 30 minutes of at-home Pilates, and then hopefully we can try to go to the gym and I can just walk or run for the last 30 minutes since I only have an hour to make sure I have time to shower and get ready for the beach. But let's go. Just ran a mile and then we walked another mile. So it's now 9:30. This is our outfit of the day. I also have this hat that I'm gonna wear with it when I get to the beach. We are showered, we're dressed. I did get some coffee. Now I'm gonna go cut some fruits, some pineapples that I wanted to bring to the beach. I did get some mangoes to bring, but they burst on transit, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do with it. Either way, let's go to the kitchen. Eventful day.
What?
You need cold. That's why I'm cold. Okay, so we're kind of over with the beach day. I kind of forgot to bring you guys along, but I'm gonna end it here because we got Chick-fil-A for dinner. And we're gonna go to, it is good. And we're gonna go to TJ Maxx, but I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.